If your 3D portfolio feels stuck, it's not a talent problem. It's a structure problem. Most artists don't lack effort. They lack a disciplined system. You finish tutorials. You build random assets. You render decent work. But your improvement feels inconsistent. Because there's no structured execution framework behind it. And studios don't hire scattered effort. They hire clarity. They hire workflow discipline. They hire production readiness. If you keep practicing without structure, you'll stay busy, but not industry ready. That gap does not close on its own. That's why I built the Mastering Props and Environments Workbook. Not as a course, not as theory, not as motivation, but as a structured execution system, clear exercises, real production constraints, studio-aligned workflows, so you always know what to practice and why. Choose your level. Volume 1. For trainee and junior artists building strong foundations and structured discipline. Volume 2. For mid and senior artists refining production-ready workflow mastery. This isn't about watching more videos. It's about practicing like a professional. If you're serious about moving from random practice to production-ready clarity, this is your structured next step. Choose your level. Start building like a studio artist. Start structured practice today.